Good morning, dear students. We are going to learn narration. Last day we have discussed first rule. Today I am going to teach you change in tense. There are many rules related to change in tense. First rule says, if a reporting speech is in present tense or future tense, we should not change the tense of reported speech. For example, he says to me, Monu will sing a song. The reporting speech here given in present indefinite tense, so we should not change the tense of reported speech. He tells me that Monu will sing a song. There is no change of tense here. Take one more example. He will say, she can teach him. Here, a reporting speech has been given in future indefinite tense, so there will be no change in the tense of reported speech. He will say that she can teach him. This is the first rule related to change in tense. Dear students, we are learning narration. This is the second rule related to change in tense. We have completed narration earlier. So, we are learning briefly to revise everything. I am discussing second rule related to change in tense. Second rule says, if reporting speech is given in past tense, the tense of reported speech will be changed. Present form changes into past form. Similarly, past indefinite changes into past perfect. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. There will be no change in past perfect and past perfect continuous. I am taking some examples to explain these things. He said, this is past indefinite tense. They have done their work. This is present perfect tense. According to the rule, present tense changes into past tense. Present perfect changes into past perfect tense. So, this will be, he said that they had done their work. Present perfect changes into past perfect. You should pay your attention here. Take one more example. He said to me, she went home. This is past indefinite, and according to rule, past indefinite changes into past perfect. He told me that she had gone home. Here, this is past indefinite. Past indefinite has been changed into past perfect. She had gone home. This is past perfect. Similarly, he said to me, they will come here. This is future indefinite, and future indefinite changes into here. In future indefinite there will be minute change. Will changes into would, and shall changes into should. So we should write here, he told me that they would go there. Come here changes into go there. This rule says word showing nearness changes into the word showing distance. So come here changes into go there. This is another rule related to narration. Take one more example related to modal auxiliaries. In modal auxiliaries, you should change may into might and can into could. Take one more example here. He said to me, Ravi can solve this question. Ravi can solve this question. Can is modal auxiliary here, so it will be changed into could. He told me that Ravi could solve that question. Dear students, you know that this is called reporting speech and this is called a reported speech. This is a reporting subject, this is reporting verb, and similarly this is reported speech. If reporting verb has an object, pay your attention. If reporting verb has an object, then says to changes into tells and said to changes into told. Here reporting verb has no object. In the reporting speech, a reporting verb has no object, so there will be no change in said here. Said will remain said. Now we have to learn third rule related to change in tense. Third rule says, if reported speech is universal truth, habit. If reported speech shows universal truth, habit, some specific information, in that case there will be no change in tense. There will be no change in tense. We said that the sun is hot. There is no change in tense here. Take one more example. He said to me, the sun moves around the earth moves around the sun. This is universal truth. Here a reporting speech has an object. This is reporting verb, said is reporting verb, and reporting verb has an object. Object is me here. So there will be change in said to. Said to changes into told. So you should write here, he told me. He told me that the earth moves around the sun. As you know, we should combine both the speeches with that after removing inverted commas. We should combine both the speeches. Both the speeches means the reporting speech and the reported speech. There are two speeches here, reporting speech and reported speech. We should combine both the speeches with that is connected here after removing inverted commas. And one more thing, if reporting speech has an object, it means here reporting verb has an object. Reporting verb is said here. If reporting verb has an object, we should change said to into told and says to into tells. Here reported speech is an universal. A universal truth here. The earth moves round the sun. It is always happens. It means this is universal truth. So you should not change the tense of reported speech. What is the tense of reported speech here? This is present indefinite tense. After changing into indirect speech, this is also in present indefinite. The earth moves around the sun. That's all. These rules related to changing tense. There are three rules related to changing tense. We have completed today change in tense. Next day we have to learn change in person. You should learn kinds of person. You should learn it from your grammar book. Next day we shall discuss how to change a person in narration. That's all.